So morning routine with the B.O.K products, you just need a little bit on your fingertips with water. Smells so good. So you just massage it into your skin with the water. And it's real light. Rub it all over your face. And now you just want to start rinsing it off. I usually take like a paper towel at first, and I like to kind of wet it and lather it up a little bit more. Oh, and you can't miss your neck. You gotta take care of your neck. We want a pretty neck. And I just kind of lather it in and still kind of smooth it with a paper towel, because the paper towels are really nice and soft, so they work out. It works out good. And I'm also removing some of the soap at the same time. And then after that, I'll just go in with a nice soft towel and finish taking it off and cleaning at the same time, but just real nice and soft. Especially under the eyes. You don't want to be too rough. I get everything. My whole neck, behind my ears. This product is amazing. You already see like that little glow that you get when your face is nice and clean. Once I get all the soap removed, then I'm going to take another paper towel. Again, I like to use paper towels because they're really soft. And then you just pat your face dry. All you want to do, you just want to pat everything dry. And then you're going to take your moisturizer with the sunblock, and I usually just do a couple little pumps in the middle of my hand, and then I start spreading it all over my face. Of course, I'm going to get it all over my neck as well. Smells so good. And just smooth it in everywhere, and now your face is moisturized and hydrated for the whole day, and the sunblock as well. I'm getting ready to go outside and work out, so I gotta make sure I have enough on to protect me from the heat. Once I do all that, you can see that you just get this natural glow. I don't even have on no eyelashes, just a really natural glow. B.O.K products.